Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a forward edge headlight. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a new headlight bulb, and some clean gloves. Wearing gloves is crucial to prevent oils from your skin from touching the new bulb, which can significantly shorten its lifespan. Make sure you have the correct bulb type for your specific forward edge model before you begin. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood. You will see the top of the headlight assembly, which is typically held by two retaining bolts. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these two bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its clips with a little firm but steady pressure. With the headlight assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Next, twist or unclip the old bulb from its socket. Take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and carefully insert it into the housing. Ensure it's seated correctly and then twist or clip it into place. Remember, do not touch the glass part of the new bulb. Finally, let's put everything back together and test it. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its opening, ensuring the clips align and it seats flush. Reinstall the two retaining bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Close the hood, then turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. You've successfully changed your forward edge headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.